Hi word enthusiast. Ready to supercharge your vocabulary and unleash the power of words? Let's dive deep into the world of emotions and uncover some fantastic alternatives to the words happy and sad. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a treasure trove of words to express yourself more vividly. Let's get started. Let's start with happy alternatives. 1. Blissful. 2. Joyful. 3. Ecstatic. 4. Elated. 5. Jubilant. 6. Radiant. 7. Thrilled. 8. Content. 9. Cheerful. 10. Delighted. Sad alternatives. 1. Heartbroken. 2. Melancholy. 3. Despondent. 4. Mournful. 5. Grief-stricken. 6. Downcast. 7. Desolate. 8. Woeful. 9. Crestfallen. 10. Dismal. Let's dive into the happy alternatives. 1. Blissful, full of joy and contentment, experiencing divine happiness. 2. Joyful, filled with happiness and delight. 3. Ecstatic, overwhelmed with intense joy or pleasure. 4. Elated, extremely happy and proud, especially after a success. 5. Jubilant, expressing great joy, satisfaction, or triumph. 6. Radiant, shining brightly, especially with happiness or joy. 7. Thrilled, extremely excited and pleased. 8. Content, satisfied and at ease with one situation. 9. Cheerful, noticeably happy and optimistic. 10. Delighted, feeling or showing great pleasure. Let's look at sad alternatives. 1. Heartbroken, overwhelmed by grief or disappointment. 2. Melancholy, a deep, pensive sadness. 3. Despondent, feeling a loss of hope or confidence. 4. Mournful, expressing sorrow or grief. 5. Grief-stricken, overwhelmed by deep sorrow, especially due to a loss. 6. Downcast, feeling despondent or low-spirited. 7. Desolate, feeling utterly wretched and unhappy. 8. Woeful, full of distress or misfortune. 9. Crestfallen, dispirited and depressed after a disappointment. 10. Dismal, depressingly dark, bleak, or gloomy. Let's paint a picture with sentences. Happy alternatives. 1. After her promotion, Lisa felt a blissful sense of achievement. 2. The children were joyful when they saw the pile of presents. 3. Winning the lottery left him absolutely ecstatic. 4. After hearing the good news, she was elated. 5. The team was jubilant after their unexpected victory. 6. Her radiant smile lit up the room at the surprise party. 7. He was thrilled to be accepted into his dream university. 8. After a day's work, he sat content by the fireplace. 9. The cheerful laughter of the kids echoed in the park. 10. He was delighted to see his old friend after so many years. Let's continue with sad alternatives. 1. After the breakup, he felt utterly heartbroken. 2. The rainy weather brought a melancholy mood to the town. 3. After the failed project, the team felt despondent. 4. The mournful song reminded her of her lost love. 5. She was grief-stricken when she heard about her grandmother's passing. 6. His downcast eyes revealed the weight of his worries. 7. The empty streets gave the city a desolate feeling. 8. The news of the accident left the community in a woeful state. 9. After the rejection, he looked utterly crestfallen. 10. The dismal weather matched her mood perfectly. And there you have it. A dynamic guide to elevate your vocabulary and express your emotions with precision. Remember, words are powerful tools, so use them wisely and creatively. Stay energetic and keep exploring the beauty of language.